Welcome, traders and tech enthusiasts. Today, we are stepping into the future of trading. In this video, we'll explore the world of quantum AI trading and give you a complete step-by-step guide on how to leverage quantum computing and artificial intelligence to supercharge your trading strategies. Buckle up as we journey into the quantum frontier and reveal the secrets of trading in the age of quantum AI. Let's start by demystifying quantum AI trading. We'll break down the core principles of quantum computing and AI in trading, making complex concepts easy to understand. By the end of this section, you'll have a strong foundation to confidently explore advanced strategies. Setting up your quantum trading workspace. Creating a quantum-friendly environment is key. And whether you're using cloud-based quantum platforms or specialized hardware, you need a workspace that lets you tap into the power of quantum computing. Quantum programming basics. No coding experience? No problem. We'll walk you through the essentials of quantum programming, covering languages like Qiskit and Cirq. By the end, you'll be ready to write your first quantum trading algorithm with confidence. Designing quantum trading strategies. Here comes the fun part: designing your own quantum trading strategies. Learn how to translate trading ideas into quantum code, explore algorithmic considerations, and discover how quantum computing can help you make smarter, faster trading decisions. Backtesting and optimization. Before going live, it's essential to backtest and optimize your strategies. We'll show you tools to simulate your algorithms under historical market conditions, ensuring your strategies are strong and ready for real-world trading. Integrating live market data. Connect your quantum trading system to real-time market feeds. We'll explain how to integrate live data so your algorithms always have the latest market insights, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Security measures. Security is critical. Learn how to implement quantum-resistant encryption and protect your trading strategies and sensitive financial data against cyber threats. Continuous monitoring and adaptation. Trading is dynamic, and so is quantum AI. We'll explore real-time performance tracking and tools to adapt your strategies to shifting market conditions. Quantum hardware selection. Dive into quantum hardware. We'll cover different processors, capabilities, and how to choose the right setup for optimal performance. Algorithm optimization techniques. Optimization is key. Learn advanced quantum algorithm techniques, including minimizing errors, improving efficiency, and fine-tuning parameters to maximize performance. Quantum machine learning integration. Discover how quantum computing and machine learning work together. Quantum ML models can reveal hidden patterns, providing deeper insights for your trading strategies. High-frequency trading with quantum AI. Explore quantum AI in high-frequency trading, HFT. Understand the advantages and challenges, and see how quantum speed allows for rapid decision-making and execution. Global market dynamics. Quantum AI trading isn't limited to one market. Learn how algorithms can adapt to global market conditions, offering insights tailored to different regions and asset classes. Simulation platforms. Before live deployment, leverage quantum simulation platforms. Test your strategies in a controlled environment to ensure robustness in unpredictable markets. Diversified portfolios. Apply quantum AI to diversified portfolios. Discover how quantum algorithms can optimize risk and return across various assets, revolutionizing portfolio management. Options and derivatives. Quantum AI can tackle complex options and derivatives trading. Understand risk management, pricing, and strategy optimization in these markets. Cognitive bias mitigation. Reduce human error with quantum AI. Algorithms can help traders make rational, objective decisions, minimizing the influence of cognitive biases. Market sentiment analysis. Quantum AI can process massive amounts of unstructured data, news, social media, and more, to gauge market sentiment and make informed trades. Explainability in quantum AI. Transparency matters. We'll discuss ways to make quantum trading algorithms interpretable, ensuring accountability in decision-making. Quantum key distribution. Secure your communications using quantum cryptography. Protect sensitive trading information and maintain confidentiality and integrity. Quantum game theory. Discover quantum game theory applications in trading. Analyze market interactions and explore strategies for competition and collaboration. Predictive analytics and black swan events. Quantum AI can enhance predictive analytics, helping traders anticipate and navigate rare, unexpected market events with greater resilience. Ephemeral opportunities. Quantum AI excels at spotting short-lived market trends. Learn how to exploit these fleeting opportunities before traditional systems even notice them. Sustainable investing metrics. Integrate ESG factors into trading with quantum AI. Analyze sustainability metrics and align strategies with ethical and sustainable investments. Real-time quantum developments. Stay ahead by monitoring real-time quantum computing developments. Cutting-edge hardware and algorithm updates enhance your trading adaptability. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to quantum AI trading. You now have the knowledge to venture into the future of trading. Subscribe for more insights into the evolving world of quantum AI. The revolution is here, and you're at the forefront. Happy trading!